Namaste, friends. Today we will see the effective practice for neck pain. The few exercises which will help to reduce the neck pain and helps to strengthen the neck muscles. So, let us start the practice. Now, how to do the practice? Then, inhaling, press the head with palm. The equal and opposite pressure you have to give. You have to press your head by palm. Inhale, pressing, exhale, releasing. Inhale, press, exhale, release. Like this. Breathe in, press, breathe out, release. The same way you have to practice with the other side. You keep your left palm on the head. Inhale, press, exhale, loosen. Inhale, press, exhale, loosen. Like this, from sidewise, from front, from back, and from down to up. There are three types of practices. See, from front now. Inhale, interlocking the fingers and inhaling, press your head towards the palm and palm towards the head. Exhale, release. Inhale, giving pressure. Exhaling, release. Dear friends, here you have to give your own capacity. The pressure, whatever you are giving, it should not be too much. It should be in a tolerable limit. Now we will start from back. Interlocking the fingers and keep it behind the head and pressing towards head towards the palm and palm towards the head. Giving pressure, giving little strain to the neck. Now from down, make up shape of your palms and pressing your palms towards the chin and chin towards the palm. Giving pressure. When you inhale, press, give pressure, exhale, release. This is very effective practice to reduce the neck pain. After this, you do neck movements slightly up and down. Slide up and down, but don't overstrain. Those who have severe neck pain should not bend your head too much back and too much forward. To relax after that exercise, to relax your neck, we do this exercise. See, inhale, now exhale and turn your head towards right. Inhale, center. Exhale, opposite side. To get more effectiveness, you can hold the shoulder and twist your neck a little bit more. Like this 3 to 4 times you can do. This is very good practice to remove the stiffness from the neck region and improve the neck flexibility. When you have neck pain, you can't twist your neck in the proper way. That's why we are holding the shoulder. See, after this, you do the rotational movement of your shoulder, which will help to release the stiffness from the neck. See, clockwise and anti-clockwise. With breathing, you have to do. Inhale up. When you raise the shoulder, you have to inhale. When you bring down, exhale. Like this way, you can do the practice. Now, inhale, raise the shoulders up and hold the breath for 5 seconds. After holding, exhale, release. Then inhale, lift and hold the breath. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then exhale, release. Like this same way, 3 to 4 times you can do this. This helps to remove the stiffness from the upper back as well as neck region, and very helpful for neck pain. Then one more important practice is you have to keep your elbows near the trunk and palms touching each other. Then slowly inhaling, you have to take your palms away, but with keeping your elbow touching to the body. See, you can see the practice. I am not taking my elbow out of the body, elbows touching to the fixed to the body, but I am moving my hand inward and outward. Inhaling, you have to take it outward, and exhaling, take it inward. This is also very helpful practice. You can do 3 to 5 times. Next practice, very important one. Now rotational movement of your arm. See, inhale inside, exhale outside. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. Next, one more practice, movement. If you have so severe neck pain, don't do this practice. Otherwise, to strengthen your neck is a very good one. To do 5 to 10 times, you can do clockwise and 5 to 10 times you do rotational movement or anti-clockwise. Like this helps to strengthen the neck region. Next, after this, you will feel more strain on the neck. To release the strain, you will press the shoulder. You give massaging effect to the shoulder region. See, hold your shoulder and press and inhale, slightly lift your neck and release. We're giving massaging effect to the neck region. After that, interlock your fingers slightly and slightly you take your neck back. Yes, release. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Like this you can do to release the stiffness from the neck. Then move your shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise and release the hands. Next we can do Parvatasana. See, in Parvatasana, inhaling, raise the arms above the head and stretch your arms furthermore and loosen your neck. Each time when you feel stiffness on the neck, move your neck side to side and release the stiffness. Again inhale, stretch, and if you feel stiffness, move your neck side to side. Like this you can do 3 to 4 times. Exhaling, arms down. These are the very important practice to remove the neck pain.